Good morning, children. Suprabhat, Namaste. I am Annapurna teacher and I teach social studies. Hope you all are doing well and you all are safe. Well, children, before I go to my lesson or start my lesson, I want to speak to you something. Wash your hands regularly with soap and water. Sanitize. Listen to your parents. Drink plenty of water and stay home, stay safe. These are the precautions that we should take in the present situation of the COVID-19. Now coming back to the lesson, children, I will start my lesson with the lesson globes and maps. And I will start my today's session with the topic globes. Do you see what is in my hand, children? Yes, this is a globe. And what is a globe? A globe is a small model of the earth. Well, you must be wondering, ma'am, the earth is so big and you are saying globe is a model of the earth? Yes, children. A globe is a model of the earth and we will be understanding about the globe. And do you see this? What is the shape of the globe? Yes, it is round in shape and we can rotate it. We can rotate it. And the line what you see here, it is called the Earth's axis. This all I will be explaining you in my session today in the next session, children. This is what I want to show you about the globe.
Today I am going to begin the lesson Globes and Maps, and in this session I am going to teach you only about the globes. Before I begin, I just want to ask you one question. What is a globe? What is an atlas? Well, let us begin the session now. Children, you know we all live on the earth, and earth is a planet that revolves around the sun. What is the meaning of the word revolves, children? Revolves means to move or cause something to move around a central point or a line. Again, I am repeating. To revolves means to move or cause something to move around a central point on a line. And Earth is a planet. What is a planet? An extremely large round mass of rock that moves in circular path around the sun or any other star. So you know the earth is a planet and earth revolves around the sun. We know now that the earth is round. But children, long ago people believed that the earth was flat. Portuguese explorer Ferdinand Magellan, he set out on a voyage around the world in 1519. Well, what do you mean by voyage? A voyage means a long journey by sea. A long journey by sea, it's called a voyage. So this Portuguese explorer Ferdinand Magellan, he set out on a voyage. But what happened? His ship returned to the place where it has started after 3 years of sailing. Sailing means he was going in on a boat, children, and after the 3 years of sailing, he returned to the same place where he started. This clearly proved that the earth is round. Now let us know something about the advantages of a globe. What are the advantages of the globe? Means how is a globe useful to us? See, a globe gives us a clear picture of the earth. The globe helps us to study the physical features of the earth, such as continents, countries, oceans, and seas. Physical features. What is the meaning of the word physical features, children? A natural feature on the surface, such as water, mountains, they are called physical features. And a globe, it helps us to study the physical features, such as the continents, oceans, countries, and seas. And moreover, children, it is easier to find places on a large globe. Remember, It is very easier to find the places on a large globe. No doubt, a globe helps us in many ways. Again, I am repeating, a globe gives us the clear picture of the earth. It helps us to study the physical features of the earth, like the continents, countries, and the oceans. Continents are the large masses of land surrounded by sea children, and the countries and the oceans. So it gives us the clear picture. Well, along with the advantages, a globe has certain disadvantages also. A globe cannot be much of the use because of the following reasons, children. Oh, a globe cannot show all the places on the earth at the same time. Let me repeat it. It cannot show all the places at the of it cannot show all the places on the earth at the same time. If we have to see the other side, a globe has to be rotated or turned. So we cannot see the places at the same time. Second, it is very difficult to carry a large group from one place to another. Obviously, children, it is very difficult to carry a large globe from one place to another. A globe has to be turned or rotated to see the other side. So we cannot see all the places at the same time. So these are the disadvantages of a globe. Now we will know about the new words that we have learned in this lesson along with the meanings. Voyage. Voyage, voyage, a long journey by sea. Explorer, 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 a person who travels to new places to learn about them. Physical features, physical, physical, features, features, a natural feature on the surface such as water, mountains, etc. Surface, 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 the uppermost layer of something, that's called surface. Children, let me recapitulate what are the points we have learned today about the globes. First, we learned about Earth. Earth is a planet that revolves around the sun. The earth is round. Portuguese explorer Ferdinand Magellan went on a voyage around the world in 1519 by a ship. He returned to the same place where he started after 3 years. This proved that the earth is round. The pictures taken from the outer space shows the earth is round. What is a globe? A globe is a small model of the earth. It is round in shape like a ball. The globe spins on a rod which represents the earth axis. What is an axis? An axis is an imaginary line that passes through the earth. In the SSL image, you have fill in the blanks. The shape of the earth is dash. The dash spins on a rod which represents the earth axis. Answer the following questions. What is a globe? What do you mean by axis? How can we say that the earth is round? What are the advantages of a globe? What are the disadvantages of a globe? Well, children, I would like you all to attempt all these questions which has been given in your assessment sheet. Please write down everything, make a note of everything in your classwork, social classwork notebooks. And in my next session, before I start my session on map, I will first definitely discuss the answers of these questions with you. Then I will go to my next topic.
But before that, I expect you all to attempt this all questions in your classwork notebook and keep it ready. Okay, children. Thank you. Bye.